In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add employment history on Upwork. Adding your past roles properly helps clients understand your background at a glance and can improve your chances of getting invited to jobs. So let's walk through it together from start to finish. Open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Upwork, then click the official Upwork website in the results. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign into your account so you can access your profile. Once you're on Upwork, look to the upper right corner and click your profile avatar. From that menu, choose Account Settings. On the Settings page, find and select My Profile. This takes you to the main profile editor where you can update different sections. Scroll to the Employment History section. To add a new role, click the plus sign. A form will open for the details of your past job. Start by entering the company name. Use the organization's full, official name so clients can recognize it easily. Next, add the city where you worked. If the role was remote, use the city where the company is based, or where you primarily worked from, whichever best reflects the role. Then, select the country. Keep these location details consistent with how you present them on your resume or LinkedIn. Enter your title. Choose a clear, professional job title that matches the work you actually did and aligns with keywords clients might search for. If your internal title was uncommon, you can use a widely understood equivalent. Now, select the start month and year. If you're unsure of the exact month, choose your best accurate estimate based on offer letters or emails. If you still hold this position, turn on the I currently work here option. That tells Upwork this is an ongoing role and removes the need for an end date. The description field is optional, but it's a great place to add context. In 1 to 3 concise sentences, summarize your responsibilities, the tools or technologies you used, and any measurable outcomes. Focus on achievements that are relevant to the services you offer on Upwork, and keep the tone factual and client-friendly. When everything looks good, click Save. You should now see the role listed in your employment history. Review it for typos and consistency, and repeat the same process for your other positions to build a complete, credible work history. Keeping this section accurate and up-to-date helps clients trust your experience and quickly see how you're a fit for their projects.